Good morning. I've had a lie-in this morning, so tired. We are off to the water parks today, and I'm going to be using this. I'm filming using my phone, but I've just checked my phone and it didn't charge last night, so I've just whacked it on charge now, so I'm hoping it's gonna behave, because I don't want to take this camera anywhere near the water, to be honest. So we'll see how that goes. We are at Blizzard Beach. I don't know how much I'm going to film with this camera, so I'm going to be switching to the other, but in the cover, so I don't know how much you're going to hear. So sound might not be very good. Hello, Jay.
What's my sandcastle?
What are you building, Chloe?
Sandcastle. I need one! Do it!
We need one of them.
Yeah, I need one of them as well. I need it! I need one! Turn that look!
We'll get you one. Do it again. Chloe, bring it over.
Why do you get them? Chloe, please!
We'll find you one.
You can fit two in there. We can fit two in there.
Huh?
I want to go feel that.
Yeah, well, I'll take you two further in a minute, but... Ah.
Can you do this?
Huh? What's the matter, Jax? You want one of those? Wave pool's really strong. It's really rough underneath. We're going to go see if we can find a tube to sit in. All seem to be being used. Here we are, look. Woo! Again. Yeah, hold on. You alright, Corey? No.
Yeah. I didn't need to.
Hi, Jaden. I don't know. We need to find out the way.
Just bent over here. No, that's Corey. That's Corey.
Ah, just scrape my knee. Yeah. What's the matter? Oh, get back on, Chloe. That is so cold. No, come on, get in. I don't know if you can hear the music, but it's Frosty the Snowman, which is really, really weird to listen to when you're in the boiling hot sun. It's really, really freaky. Yeah, we're looking for this.
What time is it?
Okay.
Yeah, we're not going to go to Typhoon Lagoon today.
We're in Disney Springs. Had a lovely day at Blizzard Beach. Very hot. Now we are going to look for food. We're going to try Planet Hollywood, I think. We're in Planet Hollywood. Hollywood Observatory having dinner.
So, light from the sun.
Looks nice.
There it is.
The light's back on now.
You don't need any more glass.
No. Debating getting another souvenir cup, but we're not. We're not? No. Need a suitcase.
We have too many.
We have a lot of souvenir cups. So we're drawing the line. No more.
And you still want Magic Kingdom.
And I've still got to get a Magic Kingdom one, yeah. But it is, it's the Coca-Cola store. That's lovely, isn't it? Haha.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah. Coca-Cola jewelry. Corey, come here. We found a little bag. Oh, cute. Ooh, very nice. Oh, I like that. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. Yeah. Oh, he's very cute.
It's me now.
But the gas works wrong. A dream, body rolls around, and I kiss my girl.
Here. Yeah.
World of Disney.
Here. Here.
We're down. Jackson. This is all Jack. All Jack around here.
Of course he's big right now.
It's a hot one.